Scroll to the left and click on the Colleges tab. From here, scroll down and think colleges I'm applying to. Scroll down and click Add to this list. Click on the drop-down menu and select which applies to you. Scroll down and click Add Colleges. When you scroll down, you will see the list of colleges that you added.